We're gonna make a teriyaki sheet pan dinner today. And I love it because it's got many of my family favorites. And there we've got salmon, broccoli, pineapple, red peppers. And you know what? It's easy because it's going all on just one sheet pan. So you can pop that in the oven and have a beautiful dinner in a very short time. There's a variety of vegetables. Now, if they're not all your favorite, you can use one vegetable, you can use more of one, less of one. You don't have to use the variety. You can really customize it to your favorites. With this recipe, it's one of the reasons it's so simple to put together is because you start with this perfectly balanced sauce. In the P.F. Chang's line, we've got a range of sauces. Today I'm gonna use a teriyaki because I love how it pairs with the salmon, but the P.F. Chang sauce line has a lot of different flavors, so you could even experiment with a different sauce if you wanted to.